Did you know that the average car owner spends over an hour scrubbing dirt off their vehicle each week? What if you could cut that time in half while protecting your paint from scratches and swirl marks? Today, we're diving into the best foam cannons for car washing in 2026, from budget-friendly options to premium pre-wash powerhouses, so you can figure out which one fits your garage perfectly. Whether you're a weekend DIY detailer or someone who loves a sparkling showroom finish, these foam cannons will change the way you clean. All the links are in the description, so you can check them out while we break down their features, performance, and real-life usability. Number 6. McKillans Foam Cannon for Pressure Washer Wide Mouth. Kicking things off with the McKillans Foam Cannon, here's a bold statement. A proper foam cannon can prevent scratches better than hours of hand washing with a bucket and mitt, and McKillans delivers a lot of that protection at a surprisingly affordable price. Designed to turn a standard pressure washer into a thick foam machine, this wide-mouth model makes filling and mixing soap much easier than the average foam cannon, while the stable base keeps spills to a minimum. Users love that the foam clings to vertical surfaces, loosening dirt and grime efficiently before the main wash, and the adjustable foam thickness dial plus spray pattern control allow for customizing coverage depending on the vehicle or task. The brass and stainless steel fittings outperform many all-plastic competitors, offering durability and reliability that makes it a strong value for home users. In real-world use, however, foam thickness depends heavily on the pressure washer. Lower flow electric units may produce thinner foam, and occasional inconsistencies are noted by some owners. Compared with similar models like Chemical Guy's Big Mouth, the McKillans often matches or exceeds foam quality and adjustability while costing less, which makes it ideal for DIY detailers who want solid performance without splurging on premium options. Number 5. AUTOWN Foam Cannon for Pressure Washer. Next up is the AUTOWN Foam Cannon, which proves that sometimes simplicity and thoughtful design beat flashy features. With a 1-liter wide-neck bottle, side measurement port, and 1/4-inch quick connect fitting, this cannon is easy to fill, precise when diluting soap, and fast to attach to most pressure washers. Its aluminum alloy and stainless steel nozzle add longevity and resistance to rust, which is impressive for a mid-tier cannon. Users rave about its foam clinging ability, from cars to motorcycles to driveways, making cleaning more efficient than using a bucket and spray wand alone. The adjustable foam thickness and spray patterns let you dial in exactly what you need for various vehicles or surfaces, though performance still depends on your washer's pressure and flow. Compared with premium models like MJJC or Chemical Guy's, AUTOWN doesn't deliver the ultra-dense showroom foam, but competes very well for value and ease of use, making it perfect for weekend DIY detailers or casual enthusiasts who want thick foam without breaking the bank. Some note that heavy use can expose plastic components over time, but the overall build quality is solid. Between the McKillans and AUTOWN, which would you try first? Drop your thoughts below. Number 4. Amazon Basics Foam Cannon, 1 liter. The Amazon Basics Foam Cannon proves that affordability doesn't mean compromising performance. Featuring a 1-liter reservoir, 1/4-inch quick connector, and twist-to-adjust nozzle, it's a simple yet effective tool for DIY car washers. Its solid brass, ABS, and aluminum components outperform cheap plastic alternatives and give decent corrosion resistance, while the foam clings to vertical surfaces to loosen grime efficiently before hand washing. Real-world users note that with a pressure washer delivering at least 2 gallons per minute and around 1,000 pounds per square inch, it produces thick foam that improves cleaning and reduces wash time, though weaker washers result in thinner suds. Compared with the McKillans and AUTOWN, Amazon Basics may not have the premium materials or as dense foam output, but it stands out for straightforward use, reliability, and value, especially for hobbyists or homeowners seeking an easy-to-learn pre-wash tool. It's perfect for anyone who wants solid performance without complicated setups or a high price tag. How often do you use foam cannons at home? Let me know your routine below. Number 3. Tool Daily Foam Cannon. The Tool Daily Foam Cannon adds versatility with its 1-liter reservoir and 5 interchangeable nozzle tips, letting users adjust spray angles from concentrated jets to wide fans, perfect for cars, patios, or siding. The 1/4-inch Quick Connect ensures simple attachment to pressure washers, and the adjustable top knob fine-tunes foam thickness for different tasks. Users consistently praise its thick, clinging foam when paired with proper snow foam soap, making pre-wash more effective and reducing swirl marks. Compared to McKillans and AUTOWN, Tool Daily includes extra nozzles, which broadens usability for multiple tasks beyond car washing. While professional detailers seeking ultra-dense foam might prefer high-end units like Chemical Guys or MJJC, this cannon delivers excellent value for DIY enthusiasts, combining versatility, solid build quality, and consistent performance at a moderate price. Would you use these extra nozzle tips for other surfaces around your home? Comment your thoughts. Number 2. CAKKAGAMA Foam Cannon Dual Connector. The CAKKAGAMA Dual Connector Foam Cannon is all about workflow efficiency, combining a foam lance and pressure washer spray gun in one kit. With a 1-liter bottle, 1/4-inch quick connector, adjustable foam, and 5 nozzle tips, you can switch between foaming and rinsing without disassembling anything. This is perfect for larger vehicles or frequent washers who want fewer interruptions during cleaning. In real-life use, it produces rich, clingy foam with a pressure washer in the 1,000 to 3,000 psi range, and the adjustable spray width accommodates both detailed spot cleaning and broad coverage. Compared with single-mode cannons like the McKillans, it saves time but might feel heavier at the wand end, and foam density isn't as thick as some premium standalone units. For anyone prioritizing convenience and flexibility, it's a standout choice. Would you rather have speed or maximum foam density? Let us know in the comments. Number 1. Armor All 2-in-1 Foam Cannon Kit. Finally, the Armor All 2-in-1 Foam Cannon Kit is perfect for casual users who want versatility, connecting to both pressure washers and garden hoses. The 40-ounce reservoir with measurement lines simplifies mixing, and the ergonomic design prevents spills and improves handling. It produces thick foam on pressure washers, 500 to 3,500 psi, and decent suds with a garden hose, making it ideal for casual home washing. Compared with other foam cannons on this list, it's the most flexible for users without a high-pressure washer, though foam density won't match McKillans or AUTOWN. Reviews note some inconsistencies in foam distribution at lower pressures, but for the price and ease of use, it's a great value for homeowners wanting a faster, safer, and more enjoyable car wash. Which setup do you think you'd use more, pressure washer or garden hose mode? Share your pick below. So there you have it, 6 of the best foam cannons for car washing in 2026, each with its strengths, trade-offs, and ideal users. From the durable and versatile McKillans to the dual connector convenience of CAKKAGAMA and the flexible Armor All kit, there's something for every type of car enthusiast. Which one would you pick for your garage? Comment below, smash that like button if this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more car care gear breakdowns. All the links are in the description.